Hello YouTube, and we are making a video of how we're gonna do laundry today. So behind this awesome door is our Splendide 2100, and it has been working really great for us. So I'm gonna show you what one load looks like, and I try to do a whole bunch right away. As much as I could fit. So yeah, that is the Splendide 2100. There's the model right up there. So it has different settings, and then it tells you if it's heavy, permanent press, and the kind of material or fabrics that we're washing. So this is also on the same note where you would put the detergent. So we're gonna put some right now. And depending on how much you are doing, how much laundry you're doing, I'm gonna put some jeans on them. So about 1 or 2 tablespoons. So you just and it's advised to use some laundry powder detergent, and then we also use this kind of fabric softener. All right, I could open it. So normally I would measure it and it would be like up to here, but this time I won't because I'm having difficulty. So I'm just going to do a little drop. There you go, that should do it. And supposedly like about a tablespoon or 2. All right, so that will do it for this kind of load that I'm doing. Just slam that. Better close the lid before I spill it. And this is the closet, by the way, and it's all James's. If you're new to our channel, James's is my husband. All right, so just open this up, and we are going to do some colored clothing. So I'm going to do clothing. So, and you can't go wrong, you guys, on this. But you want to make sure it's not too tight, because then you're not washing your clothes and they won't smell good. So that's about what jeans it could handle. I've got a lot of lightweight shirt for work for the hubby. So let's see if we can all fit that in there. All right, so that's about it. So, you know, if you could see, there's still a lot of room, but that's all that I want to mess with right now. That's all. So. Alright, and that is shut. This is the on and off button. So I turn it on, and this is basically the setting that it's on a drying setting. So let me just turn it off for a second. So you want to do this setting. I am going to do a number 3. Because we're doing a regular load, not heavy. And then the wash temperature, of course, we want to do basically like cold rinse. So let's do cold. And then what I normally do, this is the dry time. I want it to dry for less time because I am going to hang these clothes on a drying rack outside. So and that's just because I don't want the clothes to be wrinkly, and I enjoy the hanging clothes outside. So there you go, we are ready. 20 cold water and just regular wash. You turn it on, and then this one is red, that means it's ready. I don't know why it still says dry, but it should say wash. Well, let's see what it does. Okay, so when I hit that button and you hear that noise, that means that it is putting water and washing it, and the cycle will begin. Alright, see you guys later here when it gets done, okay?